how to use Amplenote for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our tutorial of how to use Amplenote. Whether you are a student or professional or just someone who trying to stay more organized, this video will help you to get started and master the key feature of Amplenote in no time. Now, if you don't know what is Amplenote, so basically Amplenote is a powerful all-in-one note-taking and task management and productivity tool. It combines features like notes and jots for writing ideas, now task integrated into notes, calendar for scheduling, and graph view for visualizing your connection. It is great for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to stay organized across devices. Now, let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is head over to this website, which is Amplenote, and then into top right corner, click on the login. Right now, I have already an account, so I will not create it. Now, if you don't have an account, what you have to do is click on the sign up button. Now you have to enter your email address and then password. And after filling out these two details, just simply click on this create account button. Now, if you don't want to enter your email, you can sign up with your Google as well in just a second. So what I will do is just simply click on the login and click on the sign in with Google and click on my Gmail. Once you are logged in, take a moment to set up your profile and add your name and upload your profile picture. Now, after logging in, you will land on this dashboard. Now, let's explore the dashboard. On the left side, you will find a main menu like charts, notes, task, calendar, and the graph. These are the core pillar of Amplenote. You also see search bar in the top in the top, and from here you can just simply add or search keywords or shortcut to speed up your workflow. Now let's create your chart using chart. Now jots are perfect for quick thoughts. Think of them like sticky notes, fast, unfiltered, and easy to access. Now just simply click on the jots. Right now we have the date of the jot, and over here we can add anything which you want to add. So use jots when you don't need structure. For detailed content, use note instead. If you want detailed content, you can use notes. It is just for a fast typing. If you have any kind of idea, you can just simply put it and down. It will save your time. So if you want to create, okay, I will go into later that. Now let's go to creating and organizing your notes. To create a new note, what you have to do is just simply click on this note section. Now over here you can give it clear and descriptive title. Right now just simply click on the start a new note. Or here you have to give a title. Then if you want to add tag to your note, you can add that too. Now as you can see here, you can add your notes related to that. Like you can, for example, I will just simply add some random stuff over here or random text. As you can see here, I have added note over here. This is look into Notion what says ample note for daily planning. Try Pomodoro technique again, maybe. This is a note. Let's say I want to make this line a little bit bigger. In the top, you will get some editable options. Like if you want to make the bold text, you can just simply click on it. If you want to make italic, and then let's say if you want to highlight this specific text, you can highlight that too. And if you want to make this note as a task, you can just simply click on it and it will make you this task. So this is you can use. You can even link one note to another. And Ample Note support backlinks, making it easy to build connect knowledge. So you can do that. Just simply click on the backlinks over here. There are no links to this node. Just simply find more reference to this node, click on it, and then from here you can add that backlinks. So I will not go into that, so it make more deeper. This is a public node, and if you want to collaborate with your friends or other members, just simply click on the add collab over here. Now then you have to enter the email address. Now you can give include edit message on chat as well. So if you want to invite someone, you can do that. Let's move to other. Here you can, in the third, we can add task. Like I said, we have some task over here just to show you as an example. Now if you want to add a task, So basically, you can turn any list item into a task. Just click the checkbox and due dates and prioritize them with the tags. You can create a standalone task or embed them directly into your notes, which is great for project planning. Amplenote keeps your notes and tasks tightly integrated. No need for separate to-do apps. I did earlier. This is untitled notes. I created this task into the notes. Now, you can create standalone task as well. For example, let's move to the task and create a new this is a note, sorry, my fault. Let's move to task. Click on the add task over here. From here, you can give a vi- quick to do. For example, video edit task. And over here, you can select the node, click on it, and from here you can select this is a test and this is Z1. Right now I haven't given any node name. Now you have to choose the date. Then from here you can choose the select the node over here. So click on the test. Now give a start date and a due date. Then you can, if you want to give a start or favorite uh, icon, you can give. Click on this add task. Now, if you move back to task and see if there is a task into test, click on the start new test, add something over here and click on this checkbox. Now, maybe, okay, there is an issue. I think I have, let's create a new task just to show you. Add task here, write something over here and click on this note. Now, the note has been saved successfully. Click on this add task, give a name. For example, create video, and then choose the from here, click on this. Okay, choose choose the node. As you can see here, if you scroll down a little bit, I will get my node. Click on the add task. So if you go back into task, choose the task. As you can see, create video. We have successfully added our task over here. This is standalone. Let's say if you want to add over here as well, and if you want to add into notes, you can do that. Now let's move to calendar. This feature lets you to schedule tasks by dragging and dropping them into your calendar. Right now, we have some task over here. Let's say if I want to add a task, a specific task over here, click on the task, then work inbox here, then choose your note. For example, I have this, uh, this is a title. And let's say if I want to add a task over here, just simply click on this quick add, and over here you can add task to your calendar to schedule it. So it is perfect for visualizing your week, planning deadlines, or blocking out time for deep work. Now let's explore the view graph over here. So the graph view helps you to visualize how your nodes and tasks connect. It is especially useful if you are building a second brain or working on interconnected project. You can click off any node to explore related to node instantly. Right now, let's say this is a test, this is standalone, this test is not connected to anybody, but project idea, as you can see, it is disconnected. This top amplify node is connected. So these are nodes are still standalone. Now if you want to zoom in, zoom out, you can do that. So it is perfect for its visualization. Is useful for building a big project. uh, Now you can collaborate and share as well. If you want to work with others, you can share notes and add collaborators to edit in real time. If you need to publish your content, some plans allow you to publish note as a public web page. It is great for team, freelancer, and content creator. In order to do that, what you have to do is just simply click on this server take. Now select the node and click on this three dot and click on this add collaborators into your notes. From here, as I said, you have to enter the email address and click on this add user. The Amplenote will send that user an email. So if that user click on the invite button and log in with his credential, it will be redirected to your notes. So yeah, that's it. A complete beginner tour of Amplenote. Now it's your turn. Start capturing your ideas. You can organize your task, plan your day with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, then hit like and subscribe and can comment below with your favorite Ample Note feature. Now, if you want more detail like this, let us know in the comment section. And thanks for